If your Epic Games launcher is stuck running, frozen, or showing the message that it is already running, this quick fix will most likely solve the problem. In this video, I'll show you the fastest way to force quit Epic Games Launcher using Task Manager and then reopen it properly by running it as administrator. This is one of the most effective fixes because it clears out any background process that may be preventing the launcher from starting normally. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes like this. Let's get into it. First, make sure the Epic Games Launcher is completely closed on your screen. If it is frozen or not responding, do not just click it again and again, because that usually makes the issue worse. Instead, right-click on the taskbar at the bottom of your screen and select Task Manager. If you do not see Task Manager right away, you can also press Ctrl, Shift, and S on your keyboard to open it directly. Once Task Manager opens, look through the list of active processes. You may see Epic Games Launcher, or another related Epic Games process still running in the background. This is the part that causes the launcher to think it is already open. Click on each Epic Games related process one by one, then select End Task. If there are multiple Epic Games processes listed, end all of them so nothing is left running behind the scenes. After that, close Task Manager and go back to your desktop or Start menu. Now find the Epic Games Launcher icon, right-click it, and choose Run as Administrator. Running it as administrator gives the launcher the permissions it needs to start properly and can help clear up launch glitches, frozen screens, and the already running error. If a security prompt appears, click Yes to allow it to open. Give the launcher a moment to load, and in most cases it should open normally now. If the launcher starts successfully, that means the background process was the problem and you have fixed it. If it still hangs for a moment, wait a few seconds before clicking anything else, because sometimes the launcher needs time to reconnect and finish loading. The key here is to force quit every Epic Games process first, then relaunch it with administrator access. That combination is the most effective fix for this particular running glitch. If you want to avoid this issue in the future, try closing the launcher properly before restarting your PC and only open one instance at a time. And that's it! You've now fixed the Epic Games Launcher running glitch by ending the background process in Task Manager and reopening it as administrator. If this video helped, please leave a like and subscribe for more easy step-by-step fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.